So all we have to do, let's have our students have like a global kind of partnership. Can we bring, we are talking of the East Africa community, can we bring the Rwandese, Kenyans, Ugandans, South Sudanese, and maybe Congolese, and what, in one pool, those who are sharp minds, have them in one place, and then train them a bit, then send them to different developed countries, some to US, some to Germany, to Taiwan, and where, and then they come back here and they are able to implement what they learned from there. So if they come, they will be able to influence their communities, because you know there is what we call opinion leaders in every country. So let's have these opinion leaders developed right from the grassroots. So that approach, I think if Mr. President can just be the one to spearhead it, because I think he's more senior in the East Africa community, and we bring these sharp minds from all over and then send them as our emissaries to different continents to go and learn, and then tell them to come back and teach exactly what they learned from there. We shall change the mindset of Africans, and we shall be able, people will love their continent, and we shall not have the brain drain, people running away from this continent. They will stay because they will know that there are many opportunities here, and they will be able to transform this continent.